Hello friends, this is Gokul from Google Tech. Today in this video we are going to see how to use matrix multiplication in Excel. There is a hidden function in Excel which is called MMULT, that is used to create a matrix multiplication. So here in this example I have taken a very basic and simple example to show you with 2 by 2 matrix. The matrix which we have is here is 2 by 2, and the same we have it in the array 2 is also 2 by 2 matrix. Right, now let's try with the matrix multiplication. Equal to, so MMULT, it says returns the matrix of products of two arrays, an array with the same number of arrays as array 1 and column as array 2. The same number it can be done, that's what it shows. And we are selecting the array 1 and comma, then array 2 is by this value, and hit enter. You can see the multiplication of this 20 and 29. The normal matrix multiplication is happening here. The advanced version of this matrix multiplication will be discussed in our future videos. If you have any doubt in this video or any previous videos, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video and have a great day.